Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. You know what time it is? It's shoe time! Get you guys a little bit of box action. Let's focus. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Mid, Noble Green, Pollen White. I think I may have bought this shoe before and just forgot about it. I ended up buying 2 more pairs, but I can't say for sure. But even if I did, it's okay. I think the other shoe didn't do too good. So I don't know where these are sitting. I think I paid like 110, 120 bucks. Somewhere in between for these. Managed to find them in size 12 and 13. Couldn't find too many small sizes, so Small Feet Gang must have ate them up. Not a bad Jordy, especially if you're a Sonic fan. If you just like yellow, green, or gold in your shoes. Materials are standard Jordan Mid materials. Nothing too good, nothing too bad. Leather seems a little bit stiff on this pair. But it was in the cold for a while, so it might be because it needs to warm up. You can see green toe box. Standard normal leather white background. Green Nike swoosh. White on the green background of the Jordan logo. Not bad. Rear of the shoe, standard Jordan. You break up, you see the green to the white to the gold. Give you guys a little bit of look at this tongue action. See the Jumpman on the tongue and not a special insole, just regular. Green bottom. Get a chance to pick these up, I think you should. I've seen worse Jordys. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!